In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make perfectly crispy and flavorful Brussels sprouts right in the air fryer. They're golden brown on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavor. Stick around to see how you can make this delicious side dish at home. Here's everything you'll need for the recipe: fresh Brussels sprouts, olive oil for even roasting and crisping, garlic powder for a warm savory kick, smoked paprika to add a hint of smokiness and vibrant color, salt and pepper to taste, lemon for a zesty finish, a large mixing bowl for tossing, a sharp knife and a cutting board for prepping, paper towels, and of course your trusty air fryer with trays. Let me know in the comments below what seasonings you like to use with your Brussels sprouts. Alright, from here, start by giving your Brussels sprouts a quick rinse under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Then from there, pat them dry thoroughly with a clean towel or paper towel. This step is crucial for getting that perfect crisp in the air fryer. Next, you want to trim the ends and remove any yellow or damaged outer leaves. And if you got any larger sprouts, just cut them in half so they cook evenly. Consistent sizing is the key to ensure every sprout is perfectly cooked. Now you want to place the prepped Brussels sprouts into a mixing bowl. Drizzle with about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. This helps the seasoning stick and promotes browning. Then add half a teaspoon of garlic powder for its rich, savory flavor, and a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika for the subtle smokiness. And then season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Toss everything together until the Brussels sprouts are evenly coated. Don't skip this step, it ensures that every bite is bursting with flavor. If you have a favorite seasoning blend, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so now arrange the Brussels sprouts on the air fryer trays or tray in a single layer, making sure they're not overcrowded. This allows hot air to circulate and ensures even crisping. If you're cooking a larger batch, you might need to use multiple trays. Having enough space is what gives you that perfect golden finish. Carefully slide the trays into the air fryer, ensuring each one is securely in place. Set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 109 degrees Celsius and the timer for 15 minutes. While the air fryer gets to work, it's circulating hot air evenly around the Brussels sprouts, giving that golden crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender and flavorful. Once the Brussels sprouts are perfectly roasted, transfer them to a serving dish. I like to squeeze a bit of fresh lemon over the top for a pop of brightness that complements the rich roasted flavors. You can also sprinkle on some grated parmesan or crushed red pepper flakes if you want to take it up a notch. And there you have it, crispy, smoky and zesty Brussels sprouts made right in your air fryer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.